उसे क्या हो गया यार? उसे क्या हो गया यार? What's wrong with her bro? What's wrong with her bro? हमेशा गुस्से में क्यों रहती हो? Why does she always stay in anger? मैं कैसे बता सकता हूँ? How can I tell you? How can I tell you? मुझे पता नहीं है. I have no idea. I have no idea. जाओ जाकर पूछ लो. Go and ask her. Go and ask her. मैं नहीं जाऊंगा पूछने. मैं नहीं जाऊंगा पूछने. I will not go to ask. वह चिल्लाने लगती है. She starts shouting. अब मैं क्या बोलूं? Now what do I say? Now what do I say? काश पहले वाला समय लौट आए. I wish the former time returned. I wish the former time returned. अब पहले वाली बात कहाँ? Things are no longer the same as before. Things are no longer the same as before. मुझे स्कूल के दिन अभी भी याद आते हैं. I still miss the days of school. I still miss the days of school. मैं रोज सुबह स्कूल जाया करता था. I used to go to school every morning. I used to go to school every morning. मैं हमेशा फर्स्ट बेंच पर बैठता था. I always used to sit on the first bench. I always used to sit on the first bench. और बताओ तुम कैसे हो? Tell me more. How are you doing? Tell me more. How are you doing? मैं ही क्यों? आप क्यों नहीं? Why only I? Why not you? Why only I? Why not you? कम से कम उसे मौका तो दो. At least give a chance to him. At least give a chance to him. कुछ लोग कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे. Some people will never improve. Some people will never improve. आपके कहने का मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about you. माँ का आशीर्वाद ले लो. Fetch mom's blessings. Fetch mom's blessings. आपको कैसे पता चला? How did you get to know? How did you get to know? यहाँ कोई किसी का नहीं है. No one is anyone's here. No one is anyone's here. सब मतलब के यार हैं. All are selfish friends. All are selfish friends. किसी से कोई उम्मीद मत करना. Don't expect anything from anyone. Don't expect anything from anyone. बस अपने आप पर भरोसा रखो. Just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself. मुझे रोंदू लड़के पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like weepy boys. I don't like weepy boys. लड़के को बहादुर होना चाहिए. The boys should be brave. The boys should be brave. काश मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता. I wish if I were in your place. I wish if I were in your place. खैर जो हो गया सो हो गया. Anyway, what's done can't be undone. Anyone, what's done can't be undone. अब बोलने से कोई फायदा नहीं. It's no use speaking now. It's no use speaking now. वह एक नंबर का लड़ाकू है. He is snappish of first order. He is a snappish of first order. उसके बारे में ना ही बोलो तो अच्छा है. It's better not to speak of him. It's better not to speak of him. वह कोई काम का नहीं है. He is good for nothing. He is good for nothing. तुम खरीद कर क्या करोगे? What will you do by purchasing? What will you do by purchasing? इस फोन में क्या कमी है? What is lacking in this phone? What is lacking in this phone? देखते ही देखते वह अमीर हो गया. He became rich in no time. He became rich in no time. मैं आज नहीं आ पाऊंगा. I will not be able to come today. I will not be able to come today. मुझे आज कहीं और जाना है. I have to go to somewhere else today. I have to go to somewhere else today. ठीक है, जैसी आपकी मर्जी. All right, as you wish. All right, as you wish. अब मैं और बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't tolerate anymore. I can't tolerate anymore. उसे सर पर मत चढ़ाओ. Don't give him a long rope. Don't give him a long rope. नहीं तो वो बिगड़ जाएगा. Or else he will get spoiled. Or else he will get spoiled. तुम्हें यह मजाक लग रहा है. Do you find it funny? Do you find it funny? आज सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining since morning today. It's been raining since morning today. इसका अपना एक ही मज़ा है. इसका अपना ही एक मज़ा है. It has a feel of its own. It has a feel of its own. किस किस ने किस किस को क्या क्या दिया? Who gave what all to whom all? Who gave what all to whom all? उसे मांगने की आदत है. He is in the habit of asking. उसे समझना मुश्किल है. It's hard to understand him. It's hard to understand him. मैं किसी की नहीं सुनूंगा. I won't listen to anyone. I won't listen to anyone. वह अपने आप को समझता क्या है? What does he think of himself? What does he think of himself? मैंने वैक्सीन लगवा ली है. I have got injected. I have got injected. यहाँ की बात वहाँ मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. बोलने से क्या फ़ायदा? Is it any use of speaking? Is it any use of speaking? वो देखकर रोने लगा. He started crying after seeing. He started crying after seeing. कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? कहीं नहीं, बस टहल रहा हूँ. Nowhere, just walking. Nowhere, just walking. वह एक धोखेबाज इंसान है. He is deceitful person. He is a deceitful person. उसकी बातों में मत आना. Don't get into his words. Don't get into his words. वह बहुत खतरनाक गुंडा है. He is very dangerous punk. He is very dangerous punk. मुझे झुठलाने की कोशिश मत करो. Don't try to belie me. Don't try to belie me. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. It will never ever happen. It will never ever happen. अगर वो सीख सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं? If he can learn, why can't you? If he can learn, why can't you? उसने कहा कि मैं नहीं कर सकता. He said that I can't do it. He said that I can't do it. उसने कहा और आपने मान लिया. He said and you agreed. He said and you agreed. आपके पास अपना दिमाग नहीं है क्या? Don't you have your own brain? Don't you have your own brain? जितनी फिक्र तुम्हें है उतनी मुझे भी है. I'm concerned as much as you concerned. I'm concerned as much as you concerned. अगर तुम न होते तो आज मैं जिंदा ना होता. If you were not there, I wouldn't be alive today. यह तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है. It's beyond by your capacity. It's beyond by your capacity. तुम जाकर अपना काम करो. Go. You go and do your work. You go and do your work. मच्छर रात को सोने नहीं देते हैं. Mosquitoes don't let me sleep at night. Mosquitoes don't let me sleep at night. कुछ बातें ना ही भूली जाएं तो बेहतर है. It's better not to speak some matter. It's better not to speak some matter. आपका हुक्म सर आँखों पर. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. दूसरों को अपने पर हावी मत होने दो. Don't others dominate you. Don't others dominate you. वह मेरे लिए बहुत सारा गिफ्ट लाता है. He brings a lot of gift for me. He brings a lot of gift for me. वह मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. He loves me so much. He loves me so much. काश मेरे पास भी पैसा होता. I wish I had money as well. I wish I had money as well. मैं कल आपको बताना भूल गया था. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. I had forgotten to tell you yesterday. तुम हमेशा इतनी जल्दी में क्यों रहते हो? Why do you always stay in such a hurry? Why do you always stay in such a hurry? आपको ऐसा करने की क्या ज़रूरत थी? Why did you need to do so? Why did you need to do so? आप बदले में मुझे क्या दोगे? What would you give me in return? What would you give me in return? आज ही घर आया हूँ. I've come home today itself. I've come home today itself. तुम वहाँ जाकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by going there? What will you do by going there? मुझे क्या, जाना है तो जाओ. What to me? If you wanna go, then go. What to me? If you wanna go, then go. मैं तुम्हें मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not denying you. I'm not denying you. पर बाद में मुझे मत बोलना कुछ. But don't say anything to me later. But don't say anything to me later. सावधानी हटी, दुर्घटना घटी. A slip of movement can turn into an accident. A slip of movement can turn into an accident. तुम्हें ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. You should not speak so. You should not speak so. वो अब कोई बच्चा नहीं रहा है. He is not a kid anymore. He is not a kid anymore. तुम उसे सर चढ़ाती हो. You give him a long rope. You give him a long rope. वह हमारा इकलौता बेटा है. He is our only child. He is our only child. अब मैं वहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ. I no longer live there. I no longer live there. क्या आपको राशन मिल रहा है कंट्रोल से? Are you getting food stuff from the control? Are you getting food stuff from the control? भगवान की कृपा से सब ठीक है. Everything is fine by the God grace. Everything is fine by the God grace. तुमने उसको क्यों फटकारा या फिर तुमने उसको क्यों झाड़ा? Why did you rebuke him? Why did you rebuke him? आप आए, बाहर आई. You came with happiness. You came with happiness. आप ही तो मुझे समझते हैं. Only you understand me. Only you understand me.